Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Coinbase app. By updating Coinbase app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this crypto app. You'll also be able to fix any issues that might be associated with your app that you are facing. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, to update your Coinbase app, you need to look or search for this app either through Google Play Store if you are on Android or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android and therefore I look for this Google Play Store app, and here it is. Then tap on it to open. Now from this, search using the search bar for your app by name. If you can't see the search bar, you should see a search icon down below. Tap on it to activate search, and then just search the app by name. I'll search for Coinbase like that, and then run the search. Here you can see we have our app. If I tap on it, you can see we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Coinbase by Crypto and Stock app. To update, tap on update, and make sure you have enough space for you to accommodate the latest version of this app. So this will download the latest version of Coinbase app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the update is done, now you can proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of Coinbase app. So that's how you can download or get the latest version of Coinbase app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.